Where's my thingy?
I've saved life today while instructing.
You probably saved, I think, like 4 or 5.
We had one on the. I thought we were gonna get him. It was real close.
All right, so this is similar. Let's say I see a violation on that vehicle right there. He's committed some sort of crime, or he's a broadcast of a potentially dangerous individual. So I turn my lights on to get the car stopped. Here we go. He acts as if he's going to stop, right? Oh, he's still hesitating a little bit, right? Probably one of those hazard indicators is that tapping of the brake. All right, he's taking off. Remember, we want to stay in our lane, right? What's he doing?
He's going over.
Do we go in the other lane?
No.
No. But we need to engage speed, right? So I need to make sure my distance to him, I don't want to increase that distance. I want to be safe when pursuing him. So I want to keep somewhat of a distance, but I want to stay in my lane. Right? Yeah. At the same time, not going so close to him. I'm being blinded by the lights.
Sorry.
I know, you're all right. All right, he's hitting his brake hard.
Is that when you think they're going to bail when they start braking?
Potential, yeah.
If they bail, do they get out and run?
Yep, most of the times. But also while I'm doing this and driving, what else am I doing, you guys think? I'm on my radio.
Yeah,
I'm calling. Yep. Control, I'm following a white Dodge Charger. I'm going to be heading northbound on Burt Avenue. See, he's going into the opposing lanes. Staying in my lane. Now, if we were like, for instance, like get into a pit situation, driving in that fashion, do you think maybe doing a pit would be worth it? Especially him in the other lane?
No. You don't know where he's going to be.
That's right.
You could give and take coming traffic.
He's not an EVO train, you can tell. He's in the wrong side of the road.
So if I had a second vehicle in front of me, I got